Hey there, I'm Doug. I'm the founder and creator of Magnfi, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to send a video email. If you're not utilizing video email within your business, you're in luck because now you're going to be able to just utilize video email. With video email with Magnfi Plus, you're able to record an up to 90-second video email, right? You send that to that client. You can input the reply back button. Then you also input a custom call to action, right? So if you want to get them to book an appointment, or to pay something, or do whatever you want to within that video email, you have a call to action button. You can tell them to click in the video. It's amazing. Let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do is log into your Magnfi account if you're not in already, and you're going to click on send a video email. If you're not a Magnfi Plus user, that's okay. If you're going to see Plus only, to become a Plus user, it's super simple. You click on subscription. You can switch to being a Magnfi Plus user. It's free to try for 7 days. So under no obligation to play, or you can play around with this, send video email, capture a case study video. It's all unlimited. So go ahead and try it out. It's free for 7 days. Enjoy. So send a video email. First thing you want to do is come to step one and you input that customer's information. So I'm just going to put mine in there. So my first name, my last name, and then an email here, right? And then you come to step two. This is where you actually build the video email. So subject line, so let's input, so say thank you for meeting with me today, right? So you can even put a little emoji if you want to, right? Little hand wave in there, right? As long as you click in your box anyway. Hand wave. There it is. Then you write them a short little note, right? You want to keep this nice and short. So let's say, hi, Bob. Wonderful to meet you today. Check out the video I made for you. All right, so then you come to capture video. Click on capture video. You allow access to your mic, your camera and microphone, all that kind of stuff. As you can see, here you go. It's a simple record window, right? You can do this on a smartphone, tablet, or computer with a webcam, by the way. So let's click record. Let's record the video email. Right, here we go. It gives a nice little countdown. Hey, Bob, fantastic to meet with you the other day. I really enjoyed learning more about coffee, right? So next step is for our next follow-up meeting. You're going to see a link below here, right here. Click this button right here to pick a day and time that works best for you to have our next meeting where we're going to talk in depth about how to blow up and make your coffee company just go wild, right? Thanks so much for meeting with me, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Right? You can play it back, make sure you like what you said. You can re-record as many times as you want to, but once you're happy, you click submit. And the video will quickly upload. All right, so now we're back to the screen. So first thing it's going to say is preparing video for review, right? So double check text in your message. So you want to come on down here, and while this is uploading so you can check out what it looks like, is look at your note, make sure everything's spelled right how you want it to, right? So maybe if you want to add some cool, like more emojis right now, maybe add some arrows, right, to point down to the video, because the video clip will be below all this text here, right? So go ahead and click save. And then also, if you want to, while this is doing it, is add that call to action, right? So then you'll come here, you'll input the call to action. So let's say, I'm just going to send them to Magnfi, right? So you can put that in there. As long as you put the www in there, you're good to go. You can include HTTP as well, but www is just fine, so just sufficient. So now you're going to have a call to action button. So this is really, really cool, right? So when they open up that video email, they're going to have the reply back, right? You have the video, and underneath that, you're going to have the reply back. And to the right of it, you're going to have the custom call to action button that you created. It's so awesome. That's right. That's why when I made my video, I pointed down, right? So it's pointing directly to that call to action button. Is ridiculously cool. All right, so a call to action button. So you have 20 character limit, right, to input whatever you want for a call to action. So let's input, so click to book, right? And I know you're probably like, this guy's like emoji crazy, right? So I do. I love emojis. I don't know why. I do. I love emojis, right? So this is a really cool. Put a little lightning bolt in there, right? So then you go ahead and click save, and very quickly the video should be up to preview it. And there it is. All right, so you can keep the thumbnail image as is, and if you want to change it, the Magnfi will pull out 5 images at random from your video. So you come over here, you click over to the right here, it'll change the image here, right? Whatever you want to do. So let's just keep it on the smiling face one here, right? There you go. And if you want to upload a custom preview image, right? So if you want to take a picture utilizing your smartphone, tablet, or your computer with a webcam that has like a photo image taker, right? You can upload your own custom image, right? You can easily do that. But once you're happy, you come down to step 3 and click send video email. That's it. And so I'm going to show you exactly what that video email looks like. So here we go. Bear with me here. Is what that video email looks like, right? So your logo is right there, right? And then, hey, there's a little note. Hey, Bob, wonderful to meet you today. Check out the video I made for you. So let's go ahead and we're going to click that. It's going to take that person to that screen to watch back that video email. Isn't that awesome? So if you look below here, you got the reply back, right? They can click here, they can reply back. It's going to pull up their email to write you back a message, and then there's that click to book, right? So let's go ahead and let's play the video. Hey Bob, fantastic to meet with you the other day. I really enjoyed learning more about coffee, right? So next step is for our next follow-up meeting. You're going to see a link below here, right here. Click this button right here to pick a day and time that works best for you to have our next meeting where we're going to talk in depth about how to blow up and make your coffee company just go wild, right? Thanks so much for meeting with me, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. So awesome. So let's go back, right? That person just opened the video email up, and they played the video, right? If they click the book, it's going to take them to Magnfi. Obviously, so we put that in our custom URL, and then awesome. Isn't video email awesome, right? So you're going to be able to, not only when you send this off, they click on all that stuff, you're going to be able to tell if they opened up that video email and if they played your video, and it's going to record as many times that video got played. It's all going to be in your My Videos area underneath your video email. So find the video email, you're going to see really clearly how many times it got played and if it was open. So if you don't have Magnfi Plus, make sure you sign up for Magnfi Plus to utilize video email. Try it free for 7 days, and we know that you're going to love it. So thanks so much for watching the video.